The Occupational Outlook Handbook is an essential tool we're introducing to you today, and it's a resource you'll use well after you have finished this course. Let's begin with a demonstration of the tool. We're here on the home page, and there are several different ways that you can search in the handbook. The first I'm going to show you is on the left-hand side of the page, and it's called Group Searching using occupational groups. These are all the categories of groups identified in the database. And we're going to go to the group titled Management. For those of you who are interested in marketing and marketing management, we then would select that particular area. The result is the summary and data information for careers involving advertising, promotions, and marketing managers. For each page that you see as a summary for your results, you'll find an overview page, a what do they do page, a work environment page, a page titled How to Become One, which talks about education and training, the pay page, job outlook page, which talks about trends in terms of growth within the career, job prospects. Similar occupations is the next page. And then last, you've got a page titled More Information, which directs you to professional associations for the particular occupations and industries, as well as other career websites. We're going to go back to the home section for the handbook. And now we're going to use the A to Z index. Let's click on the letter E for those of you who are interested in engineering. So as we wait for the page to cycle down to the letter E, then we'll page down to our engineers. And as you see, we've got engineering managers, we've got engineering designers, and then you also, it's important to note with each category, there may be the note that says see also. So in our particular case, if you're interested in being an electrical engineer, we would go back up and go to electrical engineering. Select it. And then here you are on the first summary page for electrical and electronics engineers. Now back to the handbook homepage. And we're going to use the search the handbook box. This particular type of search is good if you're not finding the information either through the occupation groups or through the index. So for example, we might type here psychologist, and we see a list of various different search results. Always the very first item you see will be the summary page in the handbook, so we'll select that. And we have psychologist, the summary page, as well as all of the other tabs. The last area I'm going to show you is using the search box and the browsing occupations. So maybe you're not wanting to search a particular career, but maybe you want information on these three items here: about pay, about growth, and about new jobs that are projected. So we select highest paying, and we get a graph that shows the median pay for careers, the highest at the top. And then in addition to showing the pay, we also see a link to the career. So we'll click on that link, and there again you're back to the summary page. So that's it. Pretty quick demonstration of how to use the Occupational Outlook Handbook. Enjoy the journey as you search your careers, and as always, if you have questions, please ask.